In front of me is a OPPO Reno11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access sound and vibration. Then tap on vibrate right away to mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. You can also select ring over here and tap on the switcher next to vibrate on ring to turn it on or off. If you wish to, you can even scroll down. Click haptics here and tap on this switcher next to system haptics to enable or disable haptic feedback for touches, swipes and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!